today for lunch, have some crabs and some fish. This is aquarium fish, but it's good. Oh, I catch one more. Looks like lipstick. Weird. Put together.